Hey, welcome to Mr. Wallen's neighborhood. We are up here at this beautiful location. We're gonna make cocktail 2. We're at La Bufa, which is above the town of San Sebastian del Oeste. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make another tequila cocktail with coffee because that was the plan. We were having coffee up on the top of the mountain. So now we're gonna make some tequila cocktails. This is Arette tequila. It's made from some good friends of mine. The last tequila we used was called Fortaleza, and that's done in a traditional method, and this would be done more in a modern method. So we're gonna use a Blanco tequila, 2 ounce. Then we're gonna use this ginger liqueur, Barrows Intense Ginger Liqueur. It's really nice ginger liqueur, has a really nice spiciness to it, which is another reason why I'm using it. We're gonna go ahead and use 1 ounce of this. So the next product we're gonna use is something called Nixta. Nixta is a corn liqueur. This also comes from Mexico. I thought the ginger and the corn would go well together because we got a little spice with a little bit of corn. We're also gonna use 1 ounce of this. And as before, since we don't need any dilution, I'm just gonna give it a quick little stir. We're gonna pour into our cocktail glass, which is a coffee mug. And then we're gonna top it up with some coffee. Salud.